today's video, I'll be showing you how to get MovieBox for free. MovieBox is an app where you can watch movies and TV shows. This app is better than Netflix and Amazon Prime videos. So go to the first link in the description. It's called APPVALLEY. Install APPVALLEY. And tweaked versions of any app you can name. So, example, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, you can get all apps. So from this APPVALLEY, we'll be getting our MovieBox app. Open APPVALLEY. After you open the app, you can see MovieBox is in my feed. Oh, ads. Never mind. So you can see MovieBox is in the feature. If you don't get it in the feature, just go search it up. After you get MovieBox, install it. You can watch all the latest TV shows and movies for free. You get the movies which are not available on Amazon Prime or Netflix. So this app is way better than Amazon or Netflix. So highly recommend it to download. After the app loaded, open it up and you can see that you got all the latest movies and TV shows for free. So in MovieBox you can watch the movie and download it too. So hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down your favorite movie.